How to join Jynxzi Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on the left side of your Discord, click on the plus button. After you click on the plus button, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Join a Server. After that, in the invite link section, type in Jynxzi, and then press on Join Server at the bottom. After you have done that, you will need to customize your experience, which means answering some of their questions. After you're done answering, you will be the official member of the Discord server. This is how to join Jynxzi Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.